What's going on, guys? So today we are out here at Catalina Del Rey RV in Corpus Christi, Texas, and we're going to take a look at this absolutely cool Catalina Trailblazer from Coachman. This is actually very cool. I know I say absolutely cool a lot, but when you see the inside of this thing, you're going to be blown away. You can probably tell it kind of looks like a toy hauler from the back, and it kind of is, but they've done something definitely that's very unique about this RV. Hang tight, I'll be right back. Okay, let's start by taking a look at the numbers on this unit. So this is going to have a relatively heavy gross vehicle weight rating, 11,514 pounds. It's going to have a cargo capacity pretty dang high, 3,791 pounds, and it's going to have a dry weight of 7,664 pounds. Dry weight's light compared to the gross vehicle weight rating because it has that nearly 2 tons worth of capacity, 33 feet 10 inches long, and it's going to ride on twin 5,100 pound axles. So we're going to start at the inside of this unit, then we'll come back out. And yeah, you'll definitely see some things that are pretty unique about it. First of all, you have your 2 entries, which is not definitely unique. Over here, you have your high-spec tires. Well, let's step inside of this 27 THS. So they've done a lot here. It's wired for 600 watts of solar, 30 amp solar charge controller. JBL premium sound. All right, so as we step on board, I'm going to start this way towards the bedroom, which is on the other side of the door, kitchenette, sofa. Over here is your bathroom, which definitely changes things up a bit. Well, we'll take a closer look at that in a second. But first, I want to show you this. So, in a traditional floor plan, this might be the bunkhouse. This might be the 2 bunk beds. But what they've done here is they've given you a ramp off the back. This really, really cool back patio with speakers, place to hang a TV, all of that. This is so cool. Nice little patio rail going around it that's screened. But then the bunks themselves, you pass underneath to get to it. Or you could probably just have that down with the bunks in place and just have a really cool spot to look out the back whenever the bunks are down. But the bunks are on this really, really cool elevator system that raises them up and sandwiches them together, and you have 2 bunks, and when they come down, one goes down kind of low, one goes down in the middle, and you have a great spot for the kids. This is super cool. This is also a great floor plan if you have like toys that you want to bring with you. Maybe a motorcycle, maybe you want to bring mountain bikes, maybe something for the kids. You got some really nice cleats on the floor to be able to connect everything to and secure it. But this is such a cool toy hauler floor plan if you don't really need a toy hauler. That makes sense. If you want the bunkhouse, but you want to bring other stuff with you, like again, mountain bikes and things like that. And having the ramp on the back to load them, plus having this as this cool little recreational area is just awesome. And you know what, even if we were camping in something like this and we just had this nice little screen area down to protect us at night, you could probably keep like bikes and things like that on here without worrying about them getting stolen as easily, especially if you like chain them to different parts of this right here. It just gives you that extra peace of mind. It's a lot more difficult for someone to crawl over this to try to get your stuff versus if you leave it on the ground. But what do you guys think? I thought that was super unique. All right, behind the door, you got this, wow, check this out. That was significantly larger than I thought it was going to be. A lot of storage in here. You could probably keep a folding e-bike in there. This thing is just huge. Great closet space. You can put your comforters, pillows, especially for guests, things like that in here. Might as well look at your bathroom since it's right here. Got your medicine cabinet above, your sink. Nothing super fancy about any of this, but it is nice. The toilet, you don't got a lot of room right here. That's probably one of the biggest pitfalls to this direction or how they face the toilet. But you know, you have a reasonable sized bathroom in here, but I see what they're trying to do, of course, because they have those bunks next door that you need to have the space for. But yeah, you have a plastic foot flush toilet, shower stall at the end. Definitely have the ceiling heights for taller folks. You could be upwards of 7.5 feet tall and probably walk through out here without much of an issue. You have your window right there as well. Toilet paper holders already in place. Okay, coming around to this side. So you have your theater seating right here. This, I believe, also turns into a bed. You can pull this piece out. Oh, that's just storage underneath there. It's kind of cool. And then this flips up, and I believe it's a jackknife sofa. It is. So you have your sofa right here for the kiddos. If you bring extra kiddos with you. Plus you have a wraparound booth style dinette that gives you a lot more seating area and a lot more sleeping area as well, plus storage underneath that. That's very nice. A lot of windows. So they give you a lot of windows throughout this unit. All right, on this side, you have your panoramic fireplace, 4G LTE Wi-Fi equipped, so that's really nice. JBL sound system, spot to hang your TV. You have some storage above. Very cool, and then you have some storage below. This looks like a GE 12-volt refrigerator, which it is. Very nice, good size refrigerator. Then you have some more storage above. Plus you have an air conditioning unit right here, which is a GE AC unit. You have GE compact microwave, as well as, and who makes this? GE Profile 3-burner cooktop. So GE is starting to put more of their stuff in RVs. That is really cool. This is going to have a single plastic basin sink, a sprayer head right there that comes out. Price on this unit, 2023, MSRP $55,541, sale price $39,376. They say the next one coming in, which will be a 24 model, I'm assuming, is going to be a few $1,000s more. So basically what they're saying is if you want this floor plan, jump on it before the price goes up. More storage here. No drawers. That's the one thing I really wish I would see here, is more drawers, but there are no more drawers in the kitchen. It'd be great to see at least one, maybe in this area or down here. Okay, and then this does have solar on board. I'm not sure exactly how much solar's up there, but there's going to be solar. They put a little USB charger right there as well. All right, stepping into the main bedroom area, you have a door separating it. Queen size bed. Underneath you have some storage here as well, this little basket. Cabinets on each side of the bed for wardrobe storage. I like how it elevates off of the bottom so you have the ability to charge phones, iPads, put your CPAP there, put your coffee, whatever you want on each side. More storage. Very nice. What do you guys think? It's a pretty cool RV, to be honest with you. Let's walk back through here and we'll take a look at the outside of this unit. I love this area right here. Okay, so starting up front, we have a power front tongue jack, spot for two 20-pound propane cans. Got some batteries right there. This is a cool little thing to be able to connect your bicycles, things like that, so you don't have to worry about them being as easy of a target as they might otherwise be. Huge pass-through storage. Got a lot of space in there, plus you have a 30-amp solar charge controller right there. Nice friction hinge on both doors. You have your standard fold-out steel steps here for the front bedroom. Outside of your water heater, cable connection 110 outside of your furnace. This rides on a 10-inch I-beam frame. This is probably going to be an outside kitchen. It is. You have your Suburban griddle, plus your Hot Point compact refrigerator. Nice aluminum wheels as well, high spec. Does not have an upgraded suspension equalizer. I would like to see that. Has a leash link, place for you to connect your dog to. Ventilation, so you can get some good ventilation on the inside if you do have some gas-powered toys in there. LED lighting. It is prepped for a Furrion wireless backup camera. Huge awning running down this side of the RV. Then you have your ramp back here as well. Scissor jack stabilization. This is going to be your sewer connections for your bathroom and shower. You'll probably have another one up there for the kitchen. Here's your shower connection right here. Black tank flush city water connection. This is a rack and pinion slide. And then over here, again, another gray tank connection. That's going to be for your sink in your kitchen. Very cool. You got your water connection, fresh water connection, cable satellite as well. What do you guys think of this unit? It's pretty cool. I told you that back space is going to be pretty dang awesome, especially for folks who kind of need a small toy hauler. This is almost what I was kind of designing when I came up with a fifth wheel floor plan, except it would have a slide out on the very back to give you more bathroom space or bunkhouse space. But what are your thoughts when you take a look at this? Please leave a comment below. I'd love to know. Anyways, guys, if you haven't had a chance, I'd really appreciate it if you took a moment, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll talk to you again very soon.